Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of the Jorgensen gear clamp. Jorgensen's gear clamps are versatile, reliable, and designed with ease of use in mind. These clamps feature a power bar design which allows for quick clamping. The quick release button allows for instant release of clamping pressure. The gear clamps are lightweight and have a clamping force of up to 600 pounds. Pony Jorgensen offers a variety of sizes of gear clamps, ranging from 4-inch to 12-inch jaw openings. These clamps are best suited for projects that require frequent clamping and unclamping. Thanks for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. For more information, please visit ponyjorgensen.com.